We'll guide you through how to track Google Ads offline conversions using Zapier, an essential skill for maximizing your marketing efforts. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to Zapier's website. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on Create Zap to start building your integration. You'll want to set Google Sheets as your trigger app if you're using a spreadsheet to capture offline conversion data. In the trigger event, select New Spreadsheet Row, so that every time a new row is added, Zapier will know to initiate the process. Now, connect to your Google account and choose the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where your conversion data is stored. Next, you need to set Google Ads as your action app. For the action event, select Upload Conversion because this is where we'll be sending our offline conversion data. You'll be prompted to connect your Google Ads account, so go ahead and authorize Zapier to access it. Now, map the necessary fields from your spreadsheet to the Google Ads conversion fields. This typically includes the conversion name, conversion time, and conversion value among others. Ensure these are correctly aligned to avoid any errors. Once everything is set up, you can test your Zap to make sure the data flows smoothly from your spreadsheet to Google Ads. If the test is successful, go ahead and turn on your Zap. This automation will now run in the background, ensuring your offline conversions are consistently tracked in Google Ads. It's a powerful way to bridge the gap between online ad activities and offline sales, giving you a more complete picture of your ad ROI. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.